Mykrowavetv.
Trouble Zion. Don't you trouble Zion. Zion have a key. Open sinner's heart. Don't you trouble Zion. Yeah. So, my take on the whole situation is this. Decent Jabass who should trust something. Jabass not do no better than use him phone and take a picture of the one view and have it over the girl head like a ding-a-ling-a-ling. Jabass. My take on the whole matter is that I stand firm with Jabass. Me know when I just say everything me pick up for Jabass for. But remember me not like Jabass. Me not like him. I stand firm with Jabass. When me say me stand in a piece of solidarity with Jabass, it's not funny. Let me tell you this. You say also cocky triple, a jump up a key court case about Shebada, a demon see that. Demon seed that Shebada two orange that them for go grow. Demon seed. Demon seed. Jabass and Triple used to thief people money. Them used to scamming partner them. So me don't know how she turn the black eye on the brother. Let me tell you the truth. If D want send picture or all in a one view, me go tell you the truth and a man want use him next phone because if a boy send me cocky, I feel like I want to see that audio over and over. Me go take a picture and send me not in a one view after your face not there. Now send me a picture in a one view, sir. You understand me? With your face, I might not take a picture, I might leave it. But me, I gotta do it. Things we wanna know that though. We never come talk about say the boy guilty and the boy this. The whole I would do it. A one view, we say we are photocopy.
In my mind, he watched the video was deleted, and the video was deleted.
There's no more video or whatever.
There's no more video or whatever.
Fast forward now, remember all this time, me know say have no video nor nothing. Any female that knows that a man has a video
or photos of them that they can expose will not try to have a
argument with them if you understand them. So if I had known about the video, I would not have. When did I try argue with me the other day, mood to entertain the argument, would I just left the argument? Me that just leave the argument. And me would go away with the argument if I get them. Come back. So even though me here saying the over there till I say I'm come up with the idea for say. I don't know where Jabass get this mentality from. Just blatantly get up and just lie for no reason. Where he gets that from. I don't know where he gets that from. I just have no intention. I'm gonna break it down for you guys. Piece by piece because I'm just really annoyed. So remember the date? Who remember the date? Who remember the date? The arguments happened. The arguments happened. Thursday. No, the argument happened on Wednesday. No, the argument happened on Wednesday. This was after the argument. If you can't read, Jabass knew. This was after the argument. This was after the argument. As on the timestamp, it's a 1:49. So 1:49 after I'm come off alive, him start calm me down. When him start calm me down now, because me I say, why the fuck is he calling me? Why the fuck is he calling me? As y'all can see, I don't need to lie. Look. See me again. Jabass news to the call there and see it right there. It said you blocked this business. Tell me if you read and tell me if you not see. As him done him live, him start call me and I blocked him. Right? Mind you, Jabass have two different numbers. So they can't look on the DP. This is Jabass new. This is show you guys his personal number. Let me show you guys his personal number. He has two numbers. But that's show one of the DP on the number. So look again, this is him other number. This is him other number. This is him DP. This is him number. This is him DP. Alright. Girl, you must be stupid. This is today. Chill. This is today. You're being weird. Chill. You're being weird. Anyways, I'm gonna lie to them something, yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna go back down there. He called me on the other number. When he called me on the other number, when he called me on the other number, no.
Me never answer.
He ring me on the other number, me never answer.
He send me the one view.
He send me the one view. So me did post it from the WhatsApp status.
And this is from the night.
And this is from the night. It's a Thursday. It's a Thursday. 1:51 a.m. How can you say this is from today? Come on, be smart.
Anyway, Thursday 1:51.
Thursday 1:51.
We put it up because we have mutual friends. I have friends that are on my WhatsApp with the
I put it up and I say, read. So I put it up and I say, read. Tell una friend, both his number, I blocked both his numbers. I blocked both his numbers. He should stop calling me. We don't bring down each other, and I want nothing to do with him.
I want nothing to do with him.
I want nothing to do with him. Why would I get up and call him and tell him let's do a prank? That's crazy.
He sent me one view. When I got the one view and I opened it, it was myself naked. I called him. Me and Jabass sit on the phone. 3 hours. We started talking from after 1 till about after 4. Because me I blame him, blame me. We are blame go back and forth about who started the argument, who this, who that, then I set him. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. He done gone bad already. Okay, so what are you going to do? Mind you, I took the call. When him that calm me down, I block him. Because I never have no talking. But when I realize him have a one view, when me make it broke, I never know say app that because a long time I send him. When me realize say app that now, when me realize say app that now, me decide to go taking call, and then me get for understand, and then me get for understand. It's like him talking about the same shit over and over, both of us. What happened?
Talking about
who was wrong?
Who started first? Who come to TikTok first?
Me.
And then
remembering saying the one view in the back of me, and I said, okay, so what are we doing? Because sitting here talking about who wrong from who right now. If you wanna get to me, I come from. He said to me, say, make we just telling me that say is a prank. Alright, cool. Make we tell him say is a prank. I don't remember how the conversation go. But it ended with telling me that deciding to tell me that it is a prank. He said,
guys, we telling the cemeteries them did real because everybody expect say him a cuss me so. And when me say him a cuss, you know say people them make a cuss so bad do because them a tell me say I say things we never say. And them a tell you say me I say things we never say. And that really trigger it.
Tell the van scratch, tell the van scratch, I said, dude, look at managing. What is it?
I tell me could have cuss every true.
But I'm not go hard.
But my cuss, me win you know?
But me yeah, we know sir.
Guys, who win the argument? I mean win the argument.
Bro, I true.
Me win, brother.
You me know saying a real, me could cuss back to you fully.
I mean win the
argument. Can we
argument.
say I fuck up, but somebody say yo chop me. I'm not trying, me can't.
And that, look, that they said you win. Me tell us see me win, you know.
Bro, listen, man, say. The only reason why I could cuss back to you full is like coming and normal, like cuss back, cuss people. Because I know say this, where we are going with it not real.
Exactly.
So I could find the courage.
But guys, the reason why we done it now because it went too far for true. People name get called, we should get called. And it just did get... Just done. Let me beg you.
Fuck you, calm down, man. I'm not there, you. Go.
Don't you call me? Don't the taste good enough, man. Don't need to put on back.
One over there.
It was no prank. Anything you want to say?
You busy with them?
Don't them in something.
Request off.
Hello? Go to say me dear. Somebody say all the Bible. You didn't have Bible for true?
I'm mad with them. Yeah, but
Jabass, you drink
my Bible say me pussy. I'm telling you lie.
You better tell the people them. You better. I got to come with that Shebada how much man I fuck me.
No, but because you lie, me that tell.
Me come on as ass. You better. Hey.
Me tell the people them brawling say that a part of their life, me I tell. Because I hit on your ass, you know.
All of them born me, man.
I say all the prank, all the prank. The fact of the matter is, Jabass send back D and D send triple and pass it all on and D a cry victim. After Jabass not do nothing to D where Jabalani never do, Jabalani do a worse. So one of us still not say Jabass is a narcissist, nastiness. Oh Jesus, narcissist. How we get them word from? Nastiness. Why am I call the boy nastiness? Eh? After Jabass do do nothing. Jabass don't do nothing. Number one, this is a prank. This can't be true. This is a prank. This cannot be true. This has to be a prank, and the whole of them careless. And I don't blame Jabass. Jabass walk and expose the whole of them walk and name catches liquor, batty and drink come. They are go like she a virgin or she a lady. Eh? They are the only dark shit on the wedding band. She the only dark shit on the wedding band. So I don't know where we depend on the internet. Jabass wicked. D is a slut dog and sorcerer. Did you think me blame Jabass? You think me blame Jabass to do anything when I do? I would have never blamed the boy. When you don't careless and worrying and stink on the internet, everything when you take picture, if a boy wants to see my hole, him come view it. Him come view it at 2020, I say me never say Photoshop. Him come view my hole, come look up in my hole so till him blind. So I don't know when they have 3 girl picnic and a dash where I sell. So D is a slut. D is a, then how you sorry for your dog? How you sorry for your dog? D triple Rosalie, the whole of them are dog shit. The whole of them are dog shit. You know what hurts? We have to come on the internet and talk about non-progressive elements like these. Because the whole of one run with it. And that hurts, you know, I could have find something better to do than on Sunday than I talk about them dog shit here. Something positive could have gone with on Sunday. You know what we talk about these dog shit. From you know D in a man worries. D are the only girl married to one. She are the only girl married to a bakery and a baker. From you know say every year D come with a story and an episode. And D I want a soft version of Ivani. We not go like a something for we ride home with. For we say, oh my God, Jabass is a slut. Jabass, you do you. Do you. Number one. Yeah. Me don't know which girl nature jump for Jabass. Me not you have to desperate for feel for him. Then you think my crashes could have keep carnival for Jabass? Then you go say Jabass not for dog out them girl, yeah? Dog them out. Dog
and, because of this for this. But me sorry about the fact when me tell you say your pussy bigger than something, but that you say you play nobody with dildo, me tell you about something that will hurt you.
Alright, what do you
but
have
sorry
to
for
say?
record your one view, but me don't tell you say.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about. What you have to say about the one view to her?
The one view, darling, I tell you from day one, say, I would never expose you. Miss Blinger, how the one view argument come up, Miss Blinger? She did a class me and bring me to her, say, if me the waste man and batty man and how you make people look for me, bro, me would expose the video me have with you. Can you not even know say me have video? You not even know say me the record the one view we say me. So if me the batty man and waste man, as what you say, me would expose you and me not go do that. I saw you come up.
Okay, so that's you proving that you are no waste man because you never send out the video.
Yeah, come in send out it. I mean never gonna send out.
So what
never will.
caused you to tell her that you're gonna expose her? What happened
I never once tell her that I'm going to expose her. Tell her to show you that. I never once said that to her.
Thank you, Jabass. I have no further question until tomorrow.
Everybody has said the boy wicked, but nobody now look on the boy and say that she really can send him fair dignity. Me could have never. I could have never jump up and do it. God no, the music better for sure. Them big and careless. But he blackmail. After Jabass no blackmail, he know nothing from you. But you have to give Jabass. Why Jabass never send him pencil paint? Why never send him thumbtack? Why you have to send him your well, your ocean, your deep and wide, and you let go? Why you have to send him? And now you run and send it to triple. You send it to everybody in the vicinity just because they want to play victim. Do you go fuck Jabalani right here born under the ring? A Jabalani and Madio, Jalani. Why am I always call him Jabalani? Lord Jesus. Time drunk but time no fool. They know she drunk and remember everything. Come with me all the time now. I have some other girl pan this so cocky, you know. You know? Then which part of she could have drunk? Eh? Pretty me, all you must walk and suck underpants to all would eat your mouth. Hmm? Which part are the drunk? Time drunk but time no fool. Then me could have really so drunk for your boy, for send a boy a picture. But didn't want to send him the picture. I use drunkenness to send him. You know how much time he take the biggest that I would demand and the alcohol. Kill me dead, you know, kill the boy dead, you know. I don't remember me I tell the wood. Me could have tell the wood long time. Remember big goal.
Go. And then now you go text the girl and I go send her back her video she send you from when? You have a motive for record that from the moment she send you that you had a motive, you had an intention for use your next phone and do it. That is wrong. So why you want me to come on the screen now? You want to beat me because me not come from a screen and me not turn on my live and say, guys, I come here for defend Jabass. Move your blood clot. Me's a woman. Me is a woman. Me is a woman. Me know it feel to be exposed. If you have never been exposed, you can't understand the feelings, boo. You don't understand the feelings, boo. I'm a woman. Me know it feel. My crutches they all about the place. Who no seat, no seat. Who seat, seat. Remember my crutches reach over mountain. What the fuck? So what you mean? So just because me not turn on my live and come sit down on my live and say me a defend Jabass. All of a sudden, she never real. She switchy. She this, that is why me don't keep friend. Because guess what? You see, if you're a girl like me now, for no say, you have a friend like me can't tell you the truth. That's why I don't really have friends and so. Because you could have do something for me today and everything good and me. I pick up for you today. But tomorrow you do fuckery, I go tell you say you do blood clad fuckery.
But she did drunk. So, you don't know Jabass behave ways. But me after drunk for take a job. So me don't know when you come and talk about the girl who drunk. Them girls just love man. Them girls just love man. Them girls vulnerable. Yeah, and Rosalie them a run with this. Nothing about it. Take accountability. On a girl on the app too careless. On a careless like underdog. Jabass to do anything. Jabass to do anything because some man wanna make famous and sexy. Me laugh and vomit in the same breath. Some man wanna make famous and sexy. Jabass not do hey.
The person start to tell me everything. Right? Big C never reach out to me. You know when me get to Big C? This morning. Me get to Big C. Morning, sister. This morning me get to Big C. I'ma say to her, say, you know, say, me get some information about Jabass. When the person reached out to me last night, me hear Jabass in our voice note. I'm not telling a lie, I'm gonna play it. Come and get it back. Me hear Jabass in our voice note I say, nobody gonna expose me, you know. Jabass, me hear it for myself. I'm gonna play it on the live. Nobody expose me, you know. And then me hear one next voice note Jabass when you ask somebody for one chase account.
Jabass and me here at 10 a life on you. And then me hear one next voice note again, Jabass. When you say, I think Big C must have said here, say she dey run a one corner. A back of the party in the dark, I say, alright, stay in the dark, me come thief one little wine.
So me I tell her know people. And that she forget. She don't deserve none else. Everybody a class Jabass. Me not have none for class Jabass boat. They not only little bit of black and shine on this, so they not only look so. Yeah, me not have nothing for stop. I don't get them on this a puppy show. Then what a way Rosalie she jump up and GX breed woman and she a work out this. And GX breed woman. Rosalie go fix your problem. Then I will send one video to Rosalie big and stay bad in the chair. Full house, a bingo. Yeah, them Kimberly them careless. Kimberly never tell you the truth. Them drain the app and drain people energy. Because all of this is not necessary. All of this is not necessary. I'm going to tell you something. It's Triple. Triple is one of the biggest hypocrite on the app. Triple are one of the biggest hypocrite on the app. Triple always in the most careless argument and pacify and always I get it wrong. Martin send it to you. Yeah, Martin send it to me, Lati. Whatever you mix Martin. And that's why Martin alive, you know. Yeah, Triple Charms, Triple are one of the biggest enemy and the biggest supporters for slackness on the app. Triple, that's so cocky girl. Triple, lean it, Triple.
mykrowavetv.
And you not even so make you try with $100 when you couldn't try flip $100 before you go try flip thousands of that. If you want to sell now flip a money, you try flip 5,000. Me can't believe this to Pussy Clan. Me can't believe all of this. Me don't understand.
I used to defend Jabass. I defended Jabass. Go defend your picnic them. Go and defend your little girl them where I plan for turn the Triple. Your little whoring daughter, your two whoring daughter them. Me say me never know say son support slackness for the happiness. And then when I don't talk about she's a woman and all they do is bring down women. Go suck on no more man. I can't wait for bring down more around you. Go suck out on a mother. What you mean that to them a sweet girl? Your picnic can't sweet and the mama absent and lie tell them traumatized and the beauty so we used to have pretty dance at school. One year girl, but no, the daughter them sweet. Now because them sweet, them not put out to the ore. Look when Annie put out the whole of your picnic them for sell crutches. They appear ore Annie bring. So how that go now my baby? How that go? Them are just a set of dog. All of the girl them on the upper dog. All of them. Every one of them on the upper dog shit. Every one of them.
I don't know, say it's crazy. The internet is a cruel thing. Because the fact that it's because some of the time them me talk and me listen to what me say. You know, me say assault. I don't know where them come from with brother touch you and all of them so the structures of the internet are set on. And then go over there, go tell them one bag of things. I don't know if I get in a school. No, I never say that. I never start out of my mouth. And people may hear I say it. See your thing fucked up. You see how people can place like fire that even go so. You see because me salt shouldn't even say nothing. just take myself out tight slowly, but I'm not gonna make nobody hold on more than 10 my life on me. Change this up, I mean, I want to get booted off. Change.
Bro, I can't believe say that you do, bro. Up to now, me can't believe, brother. Me there say I hold me coat, bro. Me there say I hold it, brother. That me I said, don't come by life, come talk about it, brother. Tears run from me eye, dog. What kind of fuckery that you do, youth? Better you go tell someone one next lie, bro. You can't tell what kind of lie that you come and tell for me, brother. Imagine me two bumbo clad youth, them I got school and people go trouble them, bro. And I when me day in a life, brother, over one car, bro. Over car. Over bumbo clad car. Over success, a cloud you feel aim for, brother. Sky you feel aim for. Where I aim for bring down, family I bring down one another, bro. All the fuck that I go work for you. When you get out tight. Want to see where you gonna get out tight. You're a wicked blood clot, girl. You're wicked, you fuck. But I like to know when and where me ever touch you or me ever look on you we bad man. I may ever abuse you yet, I may ever lick you or whatever you say me do bad man. That on YouTube me see it, bro. Me want to know when and where or which part that, brother. Bro, you see. Me don't know what me can tell you, know. Me don't know what me can tell. All me can tell you, say me not touch Anna, you know. Me never yet look at Anna way. Me not even sleep side of Anna. I can't, almost when me I look up pitney me sleep side of Anna. Cause me can't remember when me sleep or sit down side of Anna or them weird the bad man. Brother, me don't know how the fuck this reaching at this little girl mind for tell people say me touch her, brother. Yo, that girl are wicked, you fuck me don't know what to tell no. Bro, all me know, me I go sue your bumbo clot and me go court. Me I talk for myself, brother. And me want to see proof you have say me touch your dog. Me want to see proof what me do. What me do? What the fuck me do? I want to know. Even myself, man. What me did? Me did a bun coke. Cause me don't remember when last me even bun coke. So me want to know. What me do? Me not even weed me no bun. Me no bun weed. Weed too strong for me. You's a wicked fucking little girl, bro. Sometimes if one ever possess some devil gone in I know or something. You need to go to church. You start go to church yet? You need to go to church. Church, brother, church. God bust me head, say me never touch this girl, bro. God believe me, brother. For me two you them me I tell no bad man. Me never yet touch this fucking girl. Me don't know what to tell no, bro. I mean I like it, bro. Me can't even
Play victim and I look sympathy. Me not have no sympathy for Gilly Gubbies. The Lego girl. From the company up the full of man problem. You go suck her mother. I want girl when I like little bit, you know, she go suck her woman. From the company up the in a man problem. They're the only one that say lock down on the bone and she not cheese. She's the only one that say lock down on the bone and she's not cheese. Yeah, from I know that girl do elevate. Remember Ivan used to catch with you know. Then not said the and Ivan are the same thing. Them used to sell crutches together, not what I call ladies them. Charms, me go black you. Me go black out your nastiness. Everything them put out on the internet. This is a prank. The Jabass situation is a prank, it's a money making thing. But I'm glad they might do it for shut down World Dog them. Because I can't bother with World Dog them. Because I can't bother with World Dog story keep going on in a circle. I'm glad they and Jabass come up with this still. Because every day World Dog come and World Dog and cuss him friend them. And him always have somebody, get up!
Not every presence is a blessing. Not every smile is sincere. And not every person...
Them dog you go and let them hear a leader, you see? Every time World Dog come back on the internet, it's always him and one of them friend and him can't explain the death of Joe. Now Latibu is true. Yeah, me not ask you know, but I'm glad Jabass and D come up with this. Thank you, so refreshing and draining. Yeah. I don't know if people are really strong and say Jabass wicked. Jabass, thumbs up, at least in a battery you have in your phone. Thumbs up, Jabass. If the Punani did look good, she would not cost. Any hour old did rejuvenate, she would not cost. She wouldn't have a problem because her pum pum would have pretty. When a hot girl have some old I walk with, we can't see things around by open. Around by open on a foot. On the unsure on the front and now walk as out on the order. Them drawn out Annie, yes. Them drawn out Annie and Annie have match. I want them animals still stink like when the teeth come out. Annie, because we can go on in and show up in her ears. That don't look like it can get rid of, that look like it built in. Me pussy fear what? When you black them for? When you just a black quick? World Dog them did living. Hey, me eat to me, you know. Now for sure, the Jabass situation draining and de-draining. And una as females, you need to sit down and say, you know, say I would never do this as a female. I would never send out my body wall. You know, I would never send out. Well, my whole pretty, so I can't send it out to the mercy of the world. You understand? Because my pum pum pretty. But I like my pum pum pretty. Worse when it shave, Jesus. Worse when it shave. Mercy. Mercy. Eh? Really? If I pum pum the pretty shouldn't have a problem. So auntie in the ear say Annie owe a bag of money at the place where she did that time. With the people, she not have to pay, she not move out. Look how me tell my landlord say they are foreign. Over 8 months now, me not pay rent. Then kill you dead about secret he would have. When you come and tell me say Annie what bag of money which part she just pay. Kill it dead about secret though. Winnie, one more. Kill it dead about secret. Then me could have rent Annie somewhere. Then from me rent Annie somewhere, me must realize that she got owe me. Me never go battle in a court. I owe me a man, you know see it? Then you go like your boss secret, then Annie did have it prepared. Eh? Yeah, Anna drag. Yeah, Anna said drag a grape. Look here. Anna can't say anything. Remember, Draga used to beat her when me attack. The whole I want to ignore the argument. When me attack, when I ignore the argument, and that's why they are not close. Draga and Anna is not close because they don't have a good relationship. She traumatized. Them used to who can't feel up them one another. Remember running an Annie blood, Annie brother breeder. Remember say them a royalty and siblings carrier. Una go like una know Annie them. Why we must always remind una all. No man no all upon this. Remember the earlier days when Draga used to beat Anna. Anna appear around from Draga. It's not pimp them only pimp them out. Me did tell on the same grinder. Me did come tell on the same grinder. And wanna never believe me. And don't she come confirm it. Everything when me say them come confirm it. Everything when me say and me first did draw back from a long time video them. But you say Uno not take things to heart, you know. You know when I don't wanna leave it alone and when it comes to the part. Me all Annie did that about Father God! God I call upon you! You practice that Now you gonna keep charity, now you gonna keep back to school and you picking them never graduate. Them not even have a teacher. Them know Miss Brown, Miss Williams. But I did say it already. I said it. I said, when you only sit down and watch people forget to laugh and to say, yeah, I like you, when you see the pain in people's eye. That little girl used to lap around and look think she find red hands. And from she find red hands, Draga stop all and pull her. You never know. From she find red hands, she stop get the beating and the all and pull and them come. Jody B, you think I like it? Oh, Jesus, Savior, pilot me. When the people, that's why I say I mix up on the app. I only name one Brickley Bass. I don't know who name say now. I don't know if I want boy with my all. Yeah. So the time when I sit down over here, so I try pacify two careless people. D and Jabass. When you go pacify Anna and Draga. Oh, because when you see all of the teation them in your face. And when you not help because when you want the story, when you want content. That's what I'm telling you, no one another truth. And what away Rosalie, she and Sky Diamond. Sky Diamond, remember your father breeding and you ate the child. Remember your father breeding, so the whole of now group up now. And I come and talk about Jabass and narcissist and Jabass and this and Jabass and that. The whole of Uno narcissist. The whole of Uno. The whole of Uno narcissist. Uno. All of Uno, come on know why you never make Jabass send your pin cocky. Why you have to send your big hole? And that's why you want man in your hole. You don't walk and take any hole. Nastiness. Yeah, I saw you walk and take any hole. Any cocky. Uno sick drunk stomach from D go right down to triple. Them sick drunk stomach. Yeah, all of Uno sick stomach and the whole of Annie pick them one catch a fire. Annie pick them one bungle up. Yeah. The internet need a government, you know. Yeah, of course she careless. D is careless and everybody a class Jabass. And nobody now hold D accountable for sending out her stinking hole on the phone. He nearly broke the boy phone screen and dismiss WhatsApp. What you mean was if it was not the school so open? Then you think Rosalie business with that and she come back. But remember to put on the pin in them school money already, you know. Remember putting have the pin in them back to school money already for Rosalie, so she not can go and be careless. Oh, we have the back to school money for them. Yo! Are you me calling her? Yeah. Remember, I have the child back to school money, so why should they worry? Yeah? Yeah! You don't know what you're saying about me, yeah? Yeah, I want to book them bad, I want to nastiness on the app. Yeah, and we're back. May I drink quickly? Jody say it again. What Jody say? We mix up Jody say. We mix up Jody D say. TikTok bro, not judgment. Yeah, at the devil's playground. We tell us them wicked. They are 3 girl pick me and still a skin out for your all a saying. Eh? And then them a go let them rejuvenate them front. D do a body and do a tie. She not see that? Me say it's a girl who I like, but me see them little foolishness here. And then you come now and you play a victim. Take accountability. Take accountability. Say you're killing someone a demon on the app. Someone at the devil's ass whip. Someone a walking obia. Yeah, skin out your stinking hole. And then come back now and play a victim. You never know. Yeah, come back and play a victim. You know, just say people are my hole. But he blackmail me. Blackmail what? You can't be blackmail when blackmail you fa. It's not like him want you. When blackmail you fa. When he want from you. He want you come working at the bar as a bartender. How blackmail come there, so? When are you a send out your hole? Are you a send out your big stinking hole? You send you go get triple pass it around like donkey. Are you a skin out your rotten hole? So how blackmail come there, so? A infected male. Because you know you're all infected and you pass it round. I'm a sportsman. She never knows that she had mother when she has skin it out and saying go get Jabass. On a serious note, I could have never have nature for Jabass. They look like she will take all the breeze where I blow. You thought oh, you were vulnerable. You could have never be vulnerable in a Jelani you did with. And Jelani never want you did a 5 feet. You could have never be vulnerable. You could have never be vulnerable. I disagree. You can't always disagree, my baby. You can't always disagree because the only reason why you ever disagree is because she's a female. Don't because she's a female. You disagree with us? Why you disagree? Why you disagree with us? Hey, good buddy, why you disagree? Come in the light for hear why you disagree for real. I just want to hear your opinion. I just want to know why you disagree. But you look like saying another reason for disagreeing. So I move right along then, my love. You hear? When you find out why you disagree, you make me know. But right now, I agree with everything with Jabass though. But a team Jabass, I say again, until him slip up. You love woman tourists and you love listen to me deliver it, eh? Make your argument make sense. You go come say me love woman tourists, they not with my sock and cocky me sit down pan. Eh? Then I could have never in a gun war, but happy in a cocky affair. Then you don't know me miss. Then you don't Jody this because we're all girls. Yeah. So you never know. Then I overtour me for love. Of course, your friend, that's what I say. And that is why he could have come and make an ass herself. You see? This is what the females who have no self-esteem. This is what the females who are dog and sorcerers. This is what the females who have nowhere going in life. This is what the females go off. When you come on the internet and you do your wrongs and you don't have to take accountability because somebody is going to look through your nastiness and say she's a female. She's a female. And that is why we don't do the things they want to constantly doing. Then if a next man come on the app D, I go do the same thing because none of them never hold her accountable. Only just blame the man. Blame the man. That's why if you notice Ivan, every time she and the boy together don't blame the boy. Wanna blame the boy. That is what you guys do on the app. You see, if you ever come on the internet looking for love, looking for comfort, looking for peace, looking for solidarity, looking for justice, looking for righteousness, looking for who, are you there at the wrong place, you know? You're there at the wrong, go suck your mother, you're there at the wrong place. You never know that. Everything that should be right is wrong on the app. And everything on the app that is wrong is right. And that is why these dirty prostitutes who have picnic can behave like this. Uno have Miss Tripler dictate to Uno. I encourage and motivate Uno. When she have 2 girl picnic, where Uno never see she spend time with. If somebody like Shebada Ramsey don't class the lean it, bitch. You understand me? Uno see she take picture and pose with her kids. We have to class them. You have to constantly reminding them that you're a mom. You are a mom. And for a slut like me, I remind you, say you're a mom. It's sad. It is sad. I am not here to tell these females, oh girl, you know, sometimes, you know, as females, we go suck your mama. Yeah, dog shit. Oh. Me don't know if me, hey, me I tell you say, me can't so careless to stand up in a one party with them. Me and them can never stand up in a one party. Why you think me always say, come from among them? be separated and touch not the unclean things. Me and them could have never stand up one place. You mad? A witchcraft them here, you know? This is witchcraft, you know? And them don't know say witchcraft them a practice. Triple Rosalie, the whole of them, them don't know them a practice witchcraft. And none of only that never sit and tell these dirty people the truth. None of uno. Not one of only that say, take accountability, ladies. Dress up on yourself, not each up on them life. So let me ask a question. Them say, show me your company, I'm gonna tell you who you're being. If I want to know Rosalie, she sit on my bed. Why me don't want to be a follower of Rosalie? Why every time, why me not have to be notified when she lied? I just want to ask her something. It passed witchcraft for true. You don't get no.
Tell yourself get it from me once. Tell yourself you can get those 600.
I mean, one the Lucas here, you know. Feel the same.
When I said Lucas is coming to that,
We want it, man.
You see what I'm talking about?
No, I don't see, man. Maybe not a pen, madam. They never have the box juice.
No, I can say I see can get it from them.
Come in with the orange juice, you know. Alright, thanks. Now I look at the pussy man and the lizard, them look like an adult to them. I'm glad to pussy man and the lizard. Yeah. In order to get money. In order to get money. And you see, this is a prank, and Jabass knows it's a prank, and he might work towards it. I want him to tell Jabass, say, everything that they're accusing you of, you are. Because he said, this is a prank, Jabass. But now go telling a lie, them supposed to dog you out. Them supposed to dog you out. It's just never enough. Why wanna get up every day and practice witchcraft? Why? Why wanna get up every day and say, I am going to drain the net? I am going to get someone's energy down. Why every day when I get up and do it? I'm going to tell the people every day upon the app, but the world is soon done. The world is soon done. So I'm glad to say the world is soon done. Every day when I get up and I sink deeper and deeper in a sin, Jamaica lose its salt. Gone are the days when Jamaican used to respect. You understand me? Respect. Respect. Gone are the days. And then when you talk about these things now, people say you envy them. And me not trouble in. You never have to trouble me because you have trouble the nation with your negativity. You have trouble the nation with your witchcraft that you're practicing. And all of uno just hide for a while. Uno hide for a while. And I'm not ready to tell people who not live right from who live right and who God love from who God hate. Me don't know if me could have really support Uno. I could have never support Uno knowing say Uno wicked and evil. Then I blind, so sin could have never blind me, so. Sin could have never blind me, so for me can't see the wickedness Uno do. Then me can really sit down and sit on one rose. Number one, me can't watch you know. That is why I want to catch me upon people live. I am not entertained by evil. Me could have never sit down. Me could have never sit down, not even for 5 minutes, and watch you know. You never believe me? I am not a supporter, that's why me not follow people because uno not have nothing for me follow uno for. You mad? Me can't follow uno. There is nothing I can learn after me sitting and watching a program. Yeah, half an hour, 20 minutes. What have I learned? Nothing. Nothing. You mad? You can't catch up on the live, when you must the live, and me I go through my for you. Me I go through my for you. And everybody knows that touch screen and run away, I go through my for you. And my hand bounce and go up on your live. I come off quickly. Me, my love. Me follow uno and una demon. Una crosses. I just wanna sit down and friend on one another for tear down on one another. Eh? Who robbed the youth in a New Kingston last Christmas? Who robbed the youth in a New Kingston? Hmm? Who robbed the youth in a New Kingston last Christmas? Candy? But nobody not chat Candy, yes, son. So one to that if Candy robbed the youth last Christmas in a New Kingston. One to that. Which part of the find Candy in a house or outside? Which part you find Candy, inside or outside? So on to that if you meet pan grinder. Huh? One to that if they meet pan grinder. You realize what you say? Then we meet man pan grinder and go meet man. Eh? Why Candy never got the boy yard? Why the boy never invite Candy and yard? Where am I doing New Kingston? Then when him see Candy, you never run. So you come for chat Candy. You come for chat Candy down. Not the way you say makes sense. Not the way you say makes sense, my baby. Candy rob Why and New Kingston and Rosalie swinging and cheer and tear down the net. You see it? So Rob will go all the way around. All I know where that can't send the barrel of crooks. I don't wear no crooks and crooks come out. Rob will go right round. So what the difference? We just want to ask what the difference is. He said that now make no sense. We are talking about the careless girl on the app, you know. The ones who are mothers. They are 3 girl people and say now old to people when I want her. And that we are talking about. We are talking about all the girl them careless. We're not talking about Candy and in bottom. We're not business with Candy and her pum pum. We're not business because we never find Candy pum pum in a panty shield. So me can't do business with that. You get what me say, my baby? So right here now we are talking about the careless dirty woman them, like Triple and Rosalie. You understand me? And then we are talking about, yeah. And then we are talking about, we're not talking about nobody else, my baby. Cause right here now, they and Jabass make rounds and interrupt Anya and her vehicle. And then them we are crucified, you know. We are crucified, them you say. Cause there are 3 girl people and say nah crush up all to man. And when you check out the man, you shall say nah crush up all with. Why nobody not take the accountable? Then only that take Jabass too. Then you could have really said Jabass and my nature jump me that beat my all with all I broke back and stab it up. Yeah. Yeah, me that said no way for jump for. No way for carnivalize. You understand me? Yeah, jump for everything. Then my crutches anti-Daphne could have really jumped for Jabass. When Jabass could have really pushed on me, make me say, ooh, tell me the truth. Me not even the one Jabass kiss me. Me not even the one Jabass kiss me. I right here, so Jabass earline start, you know. Right here, so like a bando. The 2 desperate. Nobody now hold them big old girl accountable. The 2 desperate. You don't have nothing to do with your bad wall. No, you think a joke? You could have really tell me, say no, me gonna say, Jabass say, yo, she be a human. Which part of Jabass gonna turn me on? It's when I sit down on the net and I tell you say, me don't know how some girl take them boy off of the net. Me don't know how some girl really take them boy off of the net. You know? But could I never do it? Me? Could I never do it. I couldn't take Jaden. Number one, Swissley, I'm a sister, so that out of the game. World Dog, I'm my auntie, cause she a real big woman. So them man, they out of the way. No, you see TG a big lady, big woman. I want big woman that I want long time before type woman that. You see King Donia, I could have never have nature for King Donia. Number one, me that have to look on King Donia, so. And say, oh, me and this I go out. Me and this camper, I could have never said, this is my man. I could never do it. Give me some more man name. Roger, my sister, call that out. Give me some more name. Give me some more name. Cause them girl they normalize retardation, you know. Shut up my mind, man, that. King, which king? Right, cute. Stop calling up woman name. 6 is half. 6. You see 6? Any girl can use them drawers and string juice game. Jake's full of sis, me I forgot cut them tycoon. Look here, too common. Too common. Too common. Let us drink some of this fit. Red hands. Why am I not in a life? Red hands, they by black me give him the whole light, you know. Enough of them boy up on the app. Let me tell you the ladies. See enough of them man up on the app. Could have never put argument to me. Could have never look at me and say, yo, enough of them boy up on the app, you're mad. Charms, you keep your Asian man. Zuma. Then from your look on Zuma, you know see say your granny that. From your look on Zuma man, you know see say your granny. Then all the Zuma man I tell me morning, I go say, morning! You know say your granny that. Zozo, I could never do it. Zozo, number one, Zozo teeth them dirty. Zozo face full of bump like street of asphalt. Asphalt. Don't stop calling them man the name, man. Don't too chow. From your look on Zuma man, I mean Zuma man I say hello. Hello! No stop, I can't do it, Zuma man. No stop. Zuma man sleep with a machine, then they. But really and truly, if you don't check the levels, no man not depend on the app, no boy not depend on the app, no man not depend on the app where they say, Jaja star, I love the youth they say, and silently, you just say, yo, I love the youth there, no man not depend on the app. So when my sister them girl I kept from me say, from Queenie bring Dewey, from Queenie bring Dewey, I may ask Queenie, oh she stomach Dewey naked. Queenie shut her eye and swallow her pride. Me don't know if Dewey could have take off him clothes and say nature call for me. I would have beat Dewey with a piece of electric wire, it would be funny. Me say I'd have wheel him up, because when Dewey in a clothes, Dewey shape so uncomfortable. Dewey shape like a, me not in a lie, Dewey shape like him I get squeezed up. Dewey shape like him I get squeezed up. I say I don't know how to normalize some things, you know. They can't bring down Jabass and Dina have no hole. They can't bring down Jabass a long time Jelani about the. And they alone did a walk a mind Jelani. They alone did a mind Jelani. Now they afraid say Jelani I get better care. Blame them I fever mackerel vision. No man will depend on the app in the ear, I say. No man is on the app. So you see, one girl where I put them man here, that means only we take all breeze. Only will take breezing and a bad word. That's why I don't blame Jabass. To take him next phone and then get the one view and take a picture. Take a picture. Yeah, of your crutches. And send it back from gear. I don't blame him. Then you think because I tell Jabass don't do it? You think because I really sit down and say Jabass wicked? Jabass not wicked. Yeah man, and triple at the next mix up one. Triple at the next mix up dirty nasty one. Triple have to insert herself in everybody business and go like she a peacemaker. When she go grow her son and take solitaire wood out her mate all. Then me not hear solitaire, I say solitaire mate, I say triple mate. The man have no week. Man have no week, my love. I pay Earth Girl on the app. Pay Earth Girl I try fix things win some. Pay Earth Girl. All of the girl them Earth. Triple need for go take care of kids for true. It's true. When you talk it, people talk about she's a nice lady. How you have to be nice to the world and don't be nice to your kids? You're wicked. Go take care of your picnic them. Your mama never breed you. You're not Sky Diamond. Your mama never breed you like how Sky Diamond father breed her. Your mama never breed you. Go take care of your picnic them. Show the world how to be a mother. You come about besties. Go call your picnic them besties, dirty woman. Me say me 8 nasty triple. Me 8 nasty triple for true. That's why Martin must always chat triple. As triple do not Martin send come give me. Today Martin sit and chat triple with me say. Martin said, I'm big old triple I come at her boss said she used to pick up for me. Can't believe say Martin are going up a nasty triple. To all Martin going pan triple I just feel free for class the bitch. Yeah, Martin you rub the bitch you know. You're going pan her you know. Martin you never hold back. If triple ever hear this she go in our church. Any old triple ever hear Martin bring her down. Me did enjoy do Martin. Yeah. You never hold back your heel back. You leg your mouth like your heel back. Everything outside. When they come and look sympathy, people from run the. People from run the when they come and look sympathy. People for say go suck your mom and go mind your picnic them, go grow them. Yeah. For true, when Triple Martin tear you up. Martin really eat triple man. Him eat triple deeply. Me for say Martin, no Martin me a cook later. Triple supposed to lucky. Triple look how you didn't ring your ankle in the argument and you know in it. Martin bring you down. I never me bring you down a Martin. Martin tear up. People may come on tomorrow, come continue this. They go wash out your old people my love on a little more. Lick out more. Today is Sunday, I'm gonna praise God. Lick out more.